A greenfield implementation in the context of SAP S/4HANA refers to the process of implementing the SAP S/4HANA system from scratch, without migrating any data or configurations from existing systems. It involves building a new system environment and setting up business processes anew. Here are the key characteristics and steps involved in a greenfield implementation. Key characteristics. Fresh start. Greenfield implementation allows organizations to start with a clean slate, free from the constraints and legacy configurations of existing systems. New configuration. All business processes, configurations, and data structures are defined and configured afresh based on the organization's current requirements and best practices. No data migration. Unlike brownfield approaches, there is no migration of historical data from previous systems. Data is created and entered into the new system as needed. Flexibility. Greenfield implementations offer flexibility in designing processes and configurations tailored to current business needs without being influenced by legacy structures. Potential for innovation. Organizations have the opportunity to leverage new features and innovations offered by SAP S/4HANA without being constrained by existing system limitations. Implementation steps. Project preparation. Define project scope, objectives, and timelines. Assemble a project team with the required skills and expertise. Business blueprint. Collaborate with business stakeholders to gather and document requirements. Create a detailed business blueprint outlining processes and system requirements. System installation and setup. Install the SAP S/4HANA system and configure basic settings. Plan the system landscape and set up integrations. Data configuration. Configure master data and transactional data structures based on business requirements. Define data migration strategies for initial data entry. Customization and configuration. Customize the SAP S/4HANA system based on the business blueprint. Configure modules and functionalities to meet specific business needs. Testing. Conduct various testing phases, including unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. Identify and resolve any issues or defects. Training. Train end users on the new SAP S/4HANA system. Provide documentation and support materials. Cutover and go-live. Execute the cutover process, including data migration and system transition. Monitor system performance during the go-live phase. Post-implementation support. Provide ongoing support to end users. Address any post-implementation issues and gather feedback for improvement. Optimization and upgrades. Continuously evaluate and optimize the system's performance. Stay informed about SAP updates and plan for future system upgrades.